Hello, dear clients. I will just want to give you a tour to our new spreadsheet, where you can find all our, transactions or daily activities in your store. So first, this will be the login or the admin sheet or tab, so where you can see your store name, your name, your billing address. So make sure that the billing address will be the same as your card billing address, your cell phone number. If you have a business, EIN or LLC, we need that. We will need that to add here in our spreadsheet. Your card, the card number, the CVV, and also the expiration date. So it's gonna be, more easy for us to, to do all the transactions there. And then the account login. So the Gmail address, because this is very important because we want us to, to work faster. So that's why if you are going to give us your own Gmail account, that's better. We will just need to log in. So all the Chrome extensions that we need will be here, even the cashbacks or the tools that we are using, like SAS, Kipa. So we need that. OAG News. So for this is for the dropshipping client. So if you want to do dropshipping, so we need to have the OAG News or the Taco Tracker, so we need your login details there. Also for EVA the repricer. So some of you already have the login, the EVA, so that will help us also to get the buybacks and also make the pricing, more easier, because if you don't have EVA, the VA need to, reprice it manually, no? But it is also more what they call effective if you have the EVA repricer, because anytime, EVA will help you to reprice your your listing. So of course it's more automated, in your part, because it's gonna be more less, work also for the VA, because EVA will do the repricing every minute or every hour. Okay, so the supplier, if you have already like account in Target, Walmart, or other suppliers that we can use, you just need to add it here, supplier, the email, and the password. Okay, so monthly report. So monthly report, you can see here there is a month and cash in. So cash in are the money that are the profit that we make monthly. The cash out are the what they call this, the money that we are spending, for your inventories. And then so you can see here, these are the remaining stocks, and then how much this the amount right now if they are going to sell, no? So you can see here also the graph, no, and then also the remaining stocks and price. Okay, so remember, when it comes to arbitrage, it's about building the inventories, no? So the more you have inventories, the better, because that will be sale, so this is why I want to explain to you also. So for example, like this one, when we purchase items or inventories on March, okay, so this sales, these inventories, we will expect this to be sold by next month, okay, because remember the shipping time, uh, like for example from me to Amazon, it really takes like 1 to 2 weeks, or sometimes it will takes like 3 weeks also. So that's why, so you can see here, the cash out here, January, the sales comes in February. And also, the inventories that we purchase in February, it will also goes to the March, no? But you can see here, March we spent like 2,500, and the April, is lower than the cash in March because of the shipping time, no? But still, you can see here, this account we still invested like in 4,600. So we will see that, or we will expect the sales come in on May, no? So that's why I want to make it sure that you understand, the how arbitrage work. Okay, and then you can see here, those money or those stocks, that we purchase will be in Amazon. So right now, in this month, April, this account has 517 remaining stocks that if they sell, it will be worth 8,000. Okay, so that's why I want to make sure that you know this, so you will not be confused, or you will not ask me where's the money's goes, because all of your money will be in the stocks, no? And then we will just wait for those inventories to sell, and then we will get those sales here. Okay, so next tab is the inventory. So these are the items that I ship, in Amazon. So you can see here the listed, the status, those are listed. And then if you see the restock, meaning those are the items that, those are the winning products already that we are restocking those items. But what we are doing is a replenish method, meaning we are buying items that can be used or can be, monthly, and then people will buy that again. So that's what our goal is, to get those replenished items. So we will restock items monthly, and then of course continuously we will we will still testing products and see how fast and how many sales we will get that product, and then we will restock those. Okay, and then FBA orders. So you can see here, very direct here, the FBA profit. So this is the FBA, or fulfilled by Amazon. So these are the items or orders that we are selling, and Amazon is the one who's handling everything. Okay, so you can see here the status, payment complete. So these are the funds that you already have, and then the pending are the the orders that still Amazon is not giving us, because they are waiting the item will be delivered to the customer. Okay, and then FBA orders. So there are times, that when I listed the product, automatic it will sell immediately. So that's why that is I cannot control. But what I'm doing is I will just ship that myself, so we will not get any order defect or order, we will just fulfill that, so Amazon will see that we can do also FBM. Okay, so for this one, it's very important that we also monitor, and make this FBM, in a good condition. So why? So I will also share to you my own account. So this is mine. So you can see here, January, I really have a good profit this month, no? And then suddenly February I become low, it goes down to 200. So because I didn't notice that there are two complaints that I received, no? So that is also not in control, but that is good, that our team, we always monitor the health of the store. So I learned with this lesson, no? So that's why we are, now we are very strict, to make sure that daily we are monitoring the health of the store. Okay, so I'm showing this, no? So because like this one, Amazon hold my account for FBA shipment. So what I did, I whatever my items that are selling well in FBA, I still continue selling that in FBM. So you can see here in FBM, these are the items that I ship myself, and then you can see I still made 1,203 in this month. No, so again, January I get purely FBA, and then suddenly I cannot ship anymore in February. So what I did, those best selling that I have in FBA, I bought it again, and then I ship it, I listed and ship it myself. Okay, just to to continue the matrix and the velocity that I have in the store. And then you can see here, March, that's the time that I started, get back my account again, my FBA. But still, I continue selling, and shipping items myself. And then you can see here, March, I am still low because I have items, I have a low inventories already that month. So that's why, I said it's better to have a good inventories in your account, so the sales will be continuously also. And then March, so because March I can ship na already, and then building again my inventories. So March I get back again, you can see how the growth again in this month. And then still, I have items also that I'm selling and shipping it myself. Okay, so that's why, we make sure that your account will be good, FBA or FBM. So if ever there are things happens like that, I will help you, or I will ship the items or the orders myself. That's okay. That is also my part of helping, your store, to continuously have sales monthly. And then FBA shipment. So these are the boxes that I ship for you. So you can see here, we also monitoring this. If there is like a discrepancy, we have we contacted Amazon, to request the reimbursement for this lost items. Okay, so that's why we have a lot of work in your store, no? So that's why and we make sure that your store will be in the good health always, your FBA and FBM. So we will have a continuously sales monthly. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. And monthly, okay, you can just check, the monthly report to see how's your account are doing. And then, yeah, so if you have any question, let me know. And then, so we can work together, and, everything will be clear to you. Thank you.